former RHOA star facing new accusations. Kim Zolciak, once a star of The Real Housewives of Atlanta, is being accused of emotionally harming her minor children. She and her estranged husband, former NFL player Kroy Biermann, share 6 kids together, 2 of whom are already adults. So where did these allegations come from? Here's what we know so far. A divorce filled with drama. Back in May 2023, Kim and Kroy both filed for divorce after more than 10 years of marriage. The couple was drowning in financial issues, including the looming foreclosure of their Georgia mansion. Both sides hurled accusations at each other, though they briefly tried to reconcile. That peace didn't last, and since then, constant conflicts, including frequent police visits, have defined their relationship. At one point, Kim pushed for Kroy to undergo medical testing, while he fired back at her, leaving their split messy in public. Though they ultimately called off the divorce, the tension remains. Kroy requests sole custody. Kroy Biermann recently filed new legal documents asking for sole custody of their 4 youngest children, KJ, Cash, Kaya, and Kane. He claims Kim is guilty of psychological abuse and argues their current custody agreement is harmful to the kids. Right now, the arrangement swaps the children between parents each week, but Kroy insists this setup creates instability. There is a major lack of structure and accountability in Zolciak's household. The current custody arrangement does not serve the children's best interests. Kroy not only wants full custody, but also the right to make all decisions regarding the minors. He further alleged that Kim often leaves the kids with others instead of caring for them herself, and even manipulates them to turn against him. Kim pushes back against claims. Representatives for Kim Zolciak strongly denied all accusations, dismissing them as fabrications meant to tarnish her name. They insist Kim is a loving, attentive mother who provides emotional and practical support for her kids. From her side, Kroy's custody push is nothing more than a strategy for attention and control. The public, however, is divided. Some argue Kroy would provide the more stable home, while others defend Kim as a dedicated mom. Give Kroy custody. Kim needs to focus on herself. Say what you want. Kim clearly adores her kids and has always been there for them. Both parents love their kids. Stick with 50-50 custody and stop the drama. What's next? The custody battle between Kim Zolciak and Kroy Biermann is far from over, and fans are closely watching to see how it unfolds. For now, the biggest concern is the well-being of their children, with many hoping the case reaches a quick resolution. Do you think Kroy is justified in his claims, or is this simply a tactic to paint Kim in a negative light?